Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are taking a brief step away from the makeup community and we're gonna be trying something that I have never really attempted before and that I most likely am not going to be very good at, and that is TikTok transitions. Now, here on YouTube, I feel like we're also used to seeing transitions that nobody really thinks about them, but on TikTok, there is a literal community dedicated to creating the craziest transitions possible. Now, they started off when I first joined the app as pretty simple. It was very much just like little makeup videos, like you would open up a fan and when you pull it away, your makeup would be done. Or sometimes you would like jump and by the time you'd land, you'd be in a different outfit. But over the past few months, transitions have gotten crazier and crazier and crazier. People have literally figured out how to rotate their heads, teleport around their bedrooms, switch outfits, and even open up body parts that really just should not be opened. And in today's video, I want to put my video editing skills to the test and see if I can become a TikTok transition expert. Let's get started. All right, you guys, so come with me on this brainwave journey. I feel like, what does that even, what? If I'm learning transitions for today's video, I feel like I need to start off with the easy ones and work my way up to get harder and harder and harder. So this first video is posted by, Kristen McAtee. Oh my God, I love Kristen. Okay, so she did, let's take a look.
Sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that.
Oh my God, how did she do that?
Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that.
Wait, she did that so good. How'd she do that? Obviously, you have to start off with one outfit and it transitions into another. And the transition is the shoe landing on the foot and then you add like a little visual effect to the edit. We can definitely do this. Right now, I'm currently in the Sisters Apparel Butterfly Collection. Launching this Thursday at sisters-apparel.com at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I know that y'all saw that cute commercial at the beginning of today's video. Make sure you guys pick it up before it sells out. I feel exposed.
That's fine. Where is she?
Is this your first video debut?
No.
Well, people keep commenting asking to meet the members of my team, so this is Trevor, everybody.
I like your Skechers, you like me, my...
This land, like, here.
Oh, that was so good. How did you do that?
Oh my God.
So we gotta set the timer on the phone.
Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch, sit on my face,
Wish you could scroll
on my face, I attack that.
That's a good
Bitch,
angle,
sit
that-
on my
that
face,
was
I attack that.
Perfect.
Okay.
Transitions are also best done with a lovely friend to help you out.
True.
You have a knowledge.
Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch, sit
Ow!
on my face.
Let me say it twice.
Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that.
Sorry.
That's okay. Sit on my face and attack that.
Boom.
Sit on my face and attack that.
Boom.
Let's listen.
That bitch, sit on my face, I attack that.
Hot boom.
Well, you can't control how I can't control how long the shoe stays in the air.
Easy.
Yes, you absolutely can.
On my face, I attack that.
Right.
Attack that. Bitch, sit on my face, I
1, 2,
attack
3,
that.
throw down.
Sorry. Oh my God.
Oh no. You're gonna have like a bruise on your shin.
Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that.
Throw. Boom.
Okay, let's see how that looks.
Bitch, sit on my
Ew,
face,
that-
I attack that. Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that.
Oh, so I need to start a little bit earlier. It seems as though you zoomed it in a little bit. There we go. Yeah. Angle it up a little bit. Don't be shy. Sure.
Sit on my face, I attack that.
Ow!
5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Up, down!
Fix the trajectory of your shoe launch.
Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that.
Oh!
That may have worked.
That would have been
On
good.
my face, I attack that. Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that.
Period.
Okay,
That's gonna be it.
let's try
That's it.
Let's try
I'm gonna walk off camera now. I'm gonna change my outfit into the other Sisters Apparel Butterfly Collection set. This is just a commercial. This is not even a YouTube video. This is a commercial. There's a stain on this hoodie. How are we gonna market this hoodie to the customers if there's a stain on them?
In my opinion, it's more real because it's like a lived-in hoodie. It's more authentic.
How are they gonna know that they're not gonna receive the stained hoodie?
Tell them not to rub their makeup face all over.
Okay, let's take a look at that. Why did I do that?
On my face, I attack that. Bitch,
Oh my god, that was really good. Look,
really
look.
Sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch, sit.
I literally didn't even move
Alright,
at all.
alright.
You look so good. We just need like a little effect.
No, you know what she did? She did one of these.
Sit on my face, I attack that.
Oh,
Attack that. Bitch, sit.
yeah. Oh my god, Trevor, that was perfect.
When it comes
Should I do it again and twerk a little bit?
No.
Oh,
cute.
we're just gonna say this is good.
This is good.
Okay.
Yay!
Oh my god, one transition done. Yeah.
bitch sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch sit on my face.
Although it took us way too many tries to get that shoe flip right on the first clip, somehow we got the second clip, which was the actual transition, right on the first try, which is super, super cool. So transition number 1 is now complete and ready to move on to the second one. The team picked out this one for me to learn, which is by, oh, it's by Micah Cow. He's like one of the best transition people on the app. And this is the second one you want me to learn? Let's look.
So I told you guys to tag me in any transition videos that you see or any new transition videos that you see.
Oh, you've got to be kidding me. No, we can't put this on YouTube?
That's fine.
Y'all just want to see my butt. But first, I have to get like a pair of sweatpants.
Oh, that was such a good transition. He's just throwing transitions lazily into the video.
So once again, it's just like this transition, but with her butt.
Oh, again with the transition just thrown in there.
It's not bad.
You're kidding! Okay, so he's definitely editing on his computer. Like a cow's cheating. But it's okay, he's really good at it. I can't believe we're literally making a video where I'm opening my butthole on camera.
I think it's good. And then so that's just a little arm wave. So you're just gonna go, whoa, whoa. Sure, that's fine. And rock, look, ba, ba, ba.
Period!
And make sure to really squeeze your cheeks in, not out. Sweat.
One.
I've been trapping on a couple bands,
Oh my god.
couple bands.
This is so bad.
Oh, sure. Please don't.
Yes, you have to like. Oh! You have to tippy toe. Are you tippy toeing?
Yeah.
That's better. Okay, but you have to close your legs.
Couple bands.
Perhaps. You need to get more of the crack.
I've been trapping.
Yeah, more of the crack. Getting close. One last time.
Oh my god.
Chin,
Good.
in, not out.
This is such a hard, oh, okay, well let's try this again.
Couple bands.
Oh, that might be good.
Really?
I've been trapping on a couple bands.
Yes! Okay, that's probably gonna work.
Try that.
Okay, where's another pair of sweatpants?
Couple bands.
Okay, so it's like
So it's like, the hands are like right here.
I've been on my rock star shit.
Jesus, that's gonna look like trash, I can just tell.
Couple bands.
Oh,
Okay,
my
wait.
god. Okay,
So we have to
that
do
wasn't
bad.
too bad.
11.4. But I'm in here like flattening your ass.
Oh.
Because I'm filling your ass is what I'm doing.
I've been on my rock star shit.
Get little close.
Oh, see?
I've been on my
What are you confused about, mama?
Literally, this is just, this diaper on my head is annoying.
star shit.
Oh my god. This looks so stupid. I'm over this video.
It's literally?
Yes.
It's not this hard. You just peek through them. I probably could do it in 2 seconds.
I literally
I
want
just-
to die. To the next one. Sure. Today, we've been filming for already a few hours, and clearly we need a lot more practice, which is fine. Which is fine.
That was pretty good though.
It's about probably the worst 2 hours of my entire life trying to do a transition that clearly just didn't work out. You know what that transition was? Ass. We're gonna move on to the last and final TikTok, and this one is of course going to be the most difficult of all. Let's see what we can do. This is gonna be head spin. Okay. She just did that all in one try. I'm definitely tempted and also excited to try this one, but I do have one concern going into it, and that is she has long hair that covers up like her ears and the sides of her head. So if I do this where I'm like rotating my head, do you see what I'm saying? Like where the girl's head, it would make sense if she turned her head because then you see only hair. Oh my God, this is the worst.
So,
It's the hair. It doesn't work without the hair.
or your hood.
Oh, the hood would work. You guys, that's so smart. Okay. No.
Now you leave this here, I'll hold this here for you. Now duck under.
Okay, where's the button? Oh my God.
Alright, so the next step, James.
I hate
You look really
this.
pretty though.
Wait, so the next step.
Great, cool. Hello? What the f? Okay, let's see.
You think those look good?
I quit. I literally quit. What's the beginning supposed to look like? Oh, that's so good!
She's famous.
I'm not. I'm done. I can't do this. I'm done. I'm done.
That money go at Addo, smoking no gelato.
All right.
Not this complete discouragement.
We've been doing the same thing for 3 hours and nothing is looking good. How could I not be discouraged at this point? Thank you so much for watching. If you somehow made it all the way through and did not click off and thumbs down and block and report me. Clearly, transitions are incredibly hard to do. I knew that going into today's video, but I now have even more respect than I did beforehand. If you somehow found a way to enjoy today's video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe if you have not already. Come join the sisterhood. I would love to have you in the family. And also click that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Don't forget to shop the Sisters Apparel Butterfly collection, including this gorgeous hoodie, this cute bucket hat, and these nice sweatpants. This Thursday, August 6th at 12 p.m. PST on sisters-apparel.com. If you'd like to follow me on my makeup journey, all my social media accounts are going to be listed right here around the screen. And also, if you want to text me on my personal phone number for all updates on new videos, photos, merch, and so much more, it is 310-905-8746. This video sister shout out goes to Sister Adriana. Thank you so much, love, for always following and supporting. I love you so much. And if you'd like to be the next video's sister shout out, don't forget to always retweet my video links and go live on Twitter and also turn on my YouTube post notifications. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I love you and I will see you in the next one. Ready for this live transition?
That was so good.
Ready for this live transition? Bye.